Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and QQQ gapping down. We have a clear downtrend, but I'm not sure whether it's going to hold. Last few weeks, we have seen a pattern of like the trend reversing at market open. So I'll wait for market open to see how both SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Failing to break the pre-market lows. Not ready to jump in. Failed around the EMA. But now it's curling back up again. Not doing much. I think it's gonna make a new high. Trying to get in around 265. I'm in. Giving it some time. $4050 is going to be a resistance on SPX. $210, I'm looking to add. At 2, I place an order, I'm in. One at 245. I didn't get it. Giving it some time. $250, I do have an order. Yep, I'm out. $23, I'll take it. That's a breakdown point, but EMA holding support. Has made a new low, but reclaiming. Not seeing that strong flush. Volume is not coming in, but made a new low, reclaiming it very quickly. You see, this is exactly why you should be careful in this market. Made a new low and immediately did a rebound. High was 360 and now it's at 270. If you're looking to short, this is not a great candle. See what SPY is doing. Not comfortable with trading this price action. So I think I'll wrap it up and call it a day. A short day of trading, one trade, one winner, $23, less than 30 minutes. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.